everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayanna. For those of you who are new, welcome, and for those of you who are tuning back in, thank you. So today's video is going to be on a massive ZARA sale haul. I sort of kind of went ham. Some of these items I bought in the store or I ordered shipped to store, so I was waiting to gather a lot of it, a lot of the items before I can come on here and show you the video. So with no further ado, let's just hop right into this video. So the first bag I got is right here, this bag, and I have this play suit. It's gorgeous play suit. So this is it right here. Right here it have, okay, it's the button snap down in the middle right here, and it have the two drawstrings so you can adjust it, and it's short. This back, and I got this in a size medium, and I got it in a, this is actually $10, and I was very impressed. So this is a medium, and let's just quickly try it on so you guys can see. I'm gonna try my best to try in a lot of the items, but it's quite a lot. Be right back. Okay guys, so this is what the play suit look like. I'm short. I'm only 5 feet tall, so I'm trying my best to tippy toe so my ring light and my camera can see me. So this is what it look like. Yes. Yeah. So this is what it look like. So this is the play suit, and this is the size medium. So I'm gonna try on the other items on so I can show you guys. This is so cute. Okay, so the next item I got is another play suit. This is it. So wait, that's the back. I cannot. Okay, so this is the gorgeous play suit that I got. The next item, it's another short one, play suit, romper, whatever you want to call it. This is also in another medium, a size medium. Got this for $12.99, so that's a good deal. So let me try this on so you guys can see. It have nice embroidery right here. It's very nice. It's like a cream. There you go. So you guys can really see what it looks like. I'm gonna try this on quickly and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the next one, the next romper. It's gorgeous. And this is the back. So that's how it's looking. I would not be wearing a bra with this, but just for the video, I have on a bra. Yes. So let's come up close so you guys can see what it looks like. Hi. Yep. Yes, so cute. I love it. I just decided to just turn the camera this way, so makes it easier since I have to change and all of that. So the next item I got is this cute t-shirt. This cute t-shirt. It's gorgeous. It have Fashion Marathon written on it. I got it in a medium. I think I could have gotten in a small, but I got it in a medium because it could fit a little loose. But this was a good price. So it's a good price. Got this for $5.99. It's gorgeous. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you the remaining items in this batch, and then I will go ahead and try them on. I think that strategy might be a little bit better to make the video shorter. So the next item I got some more shirts. I got a striped shirt. It's just a regular striped shirt. I also got it in the medium. We have a pocket right here, and this is the back. So it's very nice material. I love it. And I also got another shirt. This is in, so this is weird. I don't know if this is kid size, but I got this in the extra large just because I wanted to fit oversized, because this shirt seemed like it fit very close fit, and I like my shirts to be loose. I got it in the extra large. Yep. And this is the $12.99. And I got a white shirt. I've been looking everywhere for plain white shirt, starch white shirt, and I finally found it. This one right here. Also have another pocket. It's in a medium. I don't see the tag on this, but I believe this was the same price like the striped blue one, because they are the same style. So I guess I paid $12.99 for this one. It's very gorgeous. Let me go and try these on so you guys can see what they look like. So this is the t-shirt, nothing much. I got it in a medium, so it can fit loose, like cover your bum a little. Like stuff to come on a little, so if you have on a blazer, cardigan, looks very nice. And we have Fashion Marathon written on here, which is cute. Yep, it's some leggings and some sneakers, just a nice everyday. I like it. Cute. So this is the striped shirt. This is what it looks like. Nothing much. I like the cut. You can see my reflection in my mirror. So I like the way that it looks back here. And you can just, you know, half in, half out with some black jeans or leggings. I'm wearing leggings, you know, or denims, whatever. But I like the half in, half out look. Put on a blazer or put on a cardigan or leather jacket, denim jacket, and you're good to go. Or even the teddy coats, those are cute. So this is the striped shirt. It's always good to get a blue shirt, so this is cute. So this is the denim shirt. I told you guys it's in an extra large. I don't know if this is wrong miss size, but it fits like a medium, but it said extra large. It's on me, this is what it looks like. So it's like a stone wash or wash, a very light denim shirt. It's very soft. It's not that stiff denim shirt. You can still do the half in, half out look. It's very nice. You can even tie your shirt, you know, do the tie in the front, whatever you want to do. It's very cute. And Zara still have a lot of stuff on sale still in the store, so there's still items that you can grab. See if you guys have this. Okay, everyone, here is the white shirt. Oh my god, finally the shirt is perfect. The length, sleeve length, the length of the shirt is perfect. Even right here is perfect, because I'm 5 feet tall. I said tall. I'm 5 feet tall, and therefore it's always hard finding a shirt that is not looking like a dress or at your knee or mid-thigh. This is perfect. We can do the whole tuck in, tuck out stuff. Nice structure white shirt. I love it. Love it. Okay, I have some accessories. My stuff is all over the place in a lot of bags, so I'm just going with whatever I pull out of the bag. So I got some belts. I got this gorgeous belt, and it's velvet. It's gorgeous belt, and it have these pearl details right here on it. I don't remember how much I paid. I think I paid $10 for the belts, I think. These are the belts, and this is the detail. I think this is a small. Yep, this belt is a small. And we have another belt. This is just plain with the gold detail right here. Okay, so this is the belt with the gold detail, and this is also another velvet belt. I think this style is very gorgeous. This is a medium, and it's very cute. I also got a beret. Those are also $10. I also have a beret. Yep, as the French say, oui. Got this for $10. I thought it was really cute. Oh snap! Come for your girl. Ah! So this is the barrette that is on, or you can just flip it this way. No, I don't really like it. That looked too much like a cadet. I like it this way. Yes. So this is the barrette, and I think this is the medium, and it has some nice gold detail done here. That's why I bought it, because I was like, this is different. So it's black with gold. So that's that. And I got some more clothing. I have this gorgeous, what they called it. It can be like an overall. So I got this gorgeous overall. So you can also put it on like a turtleneck or a long sleeve or bodysuit underneath, and then you put this on. It's very gorgeous. I got it in a size medium. Also got this for $12.99. Yep, there we go. So cute. Got that number. Okay, I have another black dress. And this just have the style that is in the frill on the bottom, the frill details. And it also have the string that you can tie like the pussycat bow at the top. I got this in a small. Yes, and I believe I spent $10 for this. That is in the small. Let me try it on quickly so you guys can see what it look like. Okay everyone, so this is what the dress look like. And as I told you guys, I'm trying my best to so you guys can see what the dress look like. This is my legs right here. And I tied a bow at the top detail. This is what this dress look like. Yes, this is nice. Because sometimes you need like a nice black dress that you can wear. If you have just an event, you can tuck the sleeves up. And this is what you have. This nice, very nice black dress. Okay, let me try on the next one. Actually, let me show you guys the next one, and then I will try it on. So the next item I have is this gorgeous, another black dress. This is the detail of it, and it have the organza material going on right here. Cause let me see, it have the organza material going on right here. So none of you guys know that the organza material is in. So you have the organza at the top and just a nice like a skater skirt or flowy skirt at the bottom. So let me try this on and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the next item. So this is this dress. It's gorgeous. And it's organza. You can wear like a bodysuit underneath. I just have on my bra, but you can wear a bodysuit or a bralette or crop top, but I think it would look very cute with a bralette or a bodysuit. But to make it seem really cute, I think a bralette would look very cuter. Unless you don't want to show that much skin, then you can wear a bodysuit. But this is the back of it. That's the back of it. And this is the front. Organza, baby. Muy. So this is it. Okay, the very next items I have is another black dress. This is actually, this dress is so cute. This dress, and it have the frill at the bottom. I got this in also size small. Yes. And I also have, just to finish the batch in this bag, I also have a leather skirt. I have a leather skirt. You got this detail in the back. in the front it have this silver detail here, so you can adjust it at the waist. Well, at the front, but not that much adjusting because it's just from here to here, just this amount. And it also have a zipper, and I got this in a size medium. Okay, let me go ahead and try these, then I'll be right back to show you guys what it look like. Okay guys, so this is the dress on. So I'll move back a bit so you guys can see what it actually looks like. This is it on. The back, this is it. Actually, the small fit much better than the medium because the medium made me look pregnant. So I was like, no, we do not want that. So I got the small, and the small is perfect. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. And I got this in a for $10. Yeah, I got this for $10. I love the frill detail that is on the bottom. I love the frill detail. So look cute with some flats or some sandals in the summertime. Just gorgeous. Okay guys, so this is the skirt. This is actually skirt. The leather skirt. Fits good. It's in the medium. So we can have like this. So skirt. Really like it. I got this for $12.99 I believe, and it's in a medium. Yes. I love how it's straight and it's not flare out, because I do have some other skirts that's flare out, but this is actually straight, so I like that. Okay. So I'm gonna go to the other stuff and let's see what we have here. We have some more accessories. So we have some more goodies in this bag. Okay everyone, so that is part one of my Zara sale haul, because this is a lot of stuff, so I'm gonna be splitting it up in part 2 and part 3. So stay tuned for the other videos to see my other items that I got, because I have a lot of cute stuff left to show you guys. And thank you for staying watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.